in a few minutes, you'll see that I have acne, I have scarring, and girl, covered it all up with this. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna, for those of you who don't know me. For those of you that are returning subscribers, hey girl, thanks for coming back. So I'm going out to eat with my girls tonight, and I just want to do a fresh, natural face. It's hot as hell outside, summertime. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. First things first, I do have on a shirt. I'm using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Chocolate Mousse, which is a soft black with neutral undertones, and it's only $5. Well, actually I think it's $6 now, but yeah, definitely a good pencil. Next, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and leaving it on for 1 minute before applying the foundation. And here I'm using my Lancome Teint Idol 435 Bisque W with my Fenty Beauty 360 and a Morphe M437 brush. I'm going to start applying this underneath my brow bone just to carve out the brow, make it really prominent. And I'm going to do the same thing to the top of the brow. I know that this does not look like it matches my skin tone, but just wait to the end of the video and you'll see how it melts very nicely. This foundation oxidizes like none other, and then I also use some contouring just to help bring some warmth into my skin. I usually have a hard time finding matches for my undertones, so I have to kind of mix and match and play around with it. had some foundation left over, so I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes, into my chin area, as well as between my eyebrows. Here I am actually highlighting with the highlighter. Ready, set, set. We are setting our face with Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Powder with our Morphe M439 brush. I love this brush and I love this powder. It gives you a nice illumination and it just looks really good, nice and toasty on the skin. For a light contour, we're going in with Caramel Cutie by Fenty Beauty. And here I'm using the Ginger Binge, which is the left side of the palette. Going back in with Caramel Cutie and a smaller brush just to outline my eyelids and give a more contour effect along the bridge of my nose. So did y'all know that Becca's going out of business? This is the Topaz highlighter. I love it. It's perfect for us brown girls. And for my deeper contour, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit with the darkest one in the palette. And we are just going to add this in the areas that just need a little bit more depth. So I feel like if you haven't subscribed by now, you should totally subscribe, because this tip right here, I'm giving to y'all for free. Like, you can literally basically like faux laminate your brows just by using the back of your nails, y'all. Just slip it over your eyebrows and boom. Do you see that? Like, do you see that? So I lost this clip, but I set my face with All Nighter by Urban Decay. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you'd like to see in the next upcoming videos, and just please share me with your friends, y'all. I'm trying to grow my channel, trying to share, you know, my tips and whatnot, make some internet friends, so don't be shy. share my content, please. Thanks. Bye, y'all.